Guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode. As the title suggests, we're doing low-carb pizza. If you're wondering how that's possible, stay tuned and I'll show you. So the first thing that we're going to do is preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to take our shredded mozzarella and cream cheese and microwave it for 45 seconds. From there, we're going to add our eggs, garlic powder, our Italian seasoning, baking powder, and our almond flour, and we're going to mix this all up and make sure it's nicely incorporated. From there, we're going to pull out a baking sheet and we're going to line it with parchment paper. We're going to put the dough onto this and sandwich it on top with another parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, we're going to start to flatten this out until the dough is about a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Removing our now pre-baked dough from the oven, we're going to add all our toppings. So I added a marinara sauce that has no sugar added. And from here, you can add whatever toppings you like. So I added some more Italian seasoning. I added some spinach. And then to top it off, I used some more mozzarella and marbled cheese blend. And then I put that back in the oven and bake it for another 5 to 8 minutes. When you see the cheese starting to bubble, and then you can take it out and you're all done. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and you're good to go. Okay guys, so that's it for our low-carb pizza. Thanks for tuning into this episode and joining me in the kitchen. If you're interested in seeing more, head on over to my channel and check out all the recipes that I have there for you. Until next time, see you in the kitchen.